Hi guys, today I have another video for you. This is part 2, Get Events, of the Essential Guide to Linking your Apple Calendar and reminders to your existing digital planner or templates using shortcuts. Okay, so because I'm really trying to keep these videos short, go watch the overview video that has everything in it that you need to know what to do. The videos that I'm making are just very bare bones, the parts, okay? So this is Get Events. So what does this mean? Well, I'm going to show you. This means that when you tap on your link, it's going to bring up all the events from all your calendars. This is assuming you have more than one calendar, and at the tap of a button when you're working, whether it be in your bullet journal, a planner, notebook, whatever, it'll pull up all of your events, okay, from your calendar, so you can quickly look at them. You can also tap on them and then it'll take you to the calendar. Okay, so let's get into it. Now, again, on my website, the video and the website are meant to work together. And so be sure you read through the information, and then obviously you're watching the video. It would be helpful to have them open at the same time so we can do it together. So you're either going to create the shortcut yourself, or you're going to download the shortcut onto your iPad using the link that I provide. Okay, so the link that I provide. But in order to use the link that I provide, you need to go into settings, and you need to go into shortcuts, and you need to enable private sharing. And that just allows me or you to download this shortcut onto your iPad. Okay, so this shortcut again is titled Get Events, and let's go into it. So at the very top, it says be sure, it's my comment. Anything in yellow is my comments, and you're going to want to read them. Okay, so it says be sure to select where it says open app. So open app, so you're going to tap on that. You can either choose GoodNotes, Note Shelf, Notability. Those are the 3 ones that I have that I'm using. And I know it works. I have another video on Note Shelf, Notability, and other apps, so you can go watch that. But we're gonna do it in GoodNotes. Okay, so it now says open GoodNotes. Okay. The next comment says this will get events from all your calendars. So this assumes you have more than one calendar. Now, the next piece of code, in the next instruction, it says you can change the date range where it says start date is in the next blank. So because this is getting events, depending on how you want to see your events, you can change that here. So it says find all calendar events where start date is in the next 30 days. Now that is how I have it programmed for you. You can program this to say something different. So you can do not 30 days. Let's say you can do months. Let's change it to months, right? So not 30 months either. So you can change it to, we'll say 3 months. Okay. You can do 2 months, 1 month. You can do weeks, years. I mean, you're not going to probably do hours, minutes, etc. So we're just going to keep months and weeks here. So in the next 3 months, so you can change that. That's the only thing you need to do. Other than choose your app to get this to work. Okay. Now, now that you've done filling this out, before we take this and put it into your document, right? Up here is a play button. You're going to press play, and you're going to make sure it works. And it did. So it opened GoodNotes, and now it has all of my events for the next 3 months, which is a lot. So, let's go back into the shortcut. Okay, so we know it works. Now down here, it says the link URL you will enter into your app is, and I give you this link. This is what you're going to need to put into GoodNotes. Now, if you are in Note Shelf and Notability, stop right here. That there is a different process how to get the link into Note Shelf and Notability. So go watch that video. It's linked on the webpage. It's also on my YouTube. It says Note Shelf Notability. Okay. But if you're in GoodNotes, this is, you're going to take this piece of information here, And you'll notice one very important thing. This is very important. See how it says shortcuts, forward slash, etc. Name equals get events. Get events matches get events in the title of the shortcut. These must match in order for your shortcut to work. So, let's say you do download it from my website, but you want it to say something else. Just keep that in mind. This has to match this in order for your shortcut to work. Otherwise, the link will be broken and it won't work. And then you'll come to me and you'll be like, oh, it doesn't work. So make sure that they match. All right. Now, so let's go to GoodNotes. If you, this is just a nice little helpful tip. What I would do if I were you is I would take that little piece of code and I would find a document, a template somewhere, and I would type it in or copy and paste it in. So that way you have it. So you don't have to keep going back. Once you've created the shortcut, there's no need to go back in there unless you want to tweak the date range. You can just paste it into a document and create the link. See how, so what I've done is I've pasted those things into my document. I've created all the links and then I gave them all an icon of how I want them to look in my planner, because I just don't want to have it look like this little link thing. I want it to actually blend in and look nice. Do I even have that? Let's see if I pasted it yet. Yeah, I want it to look nice. And basically all this is it's an icon over the link. All right. So that's just my little tip for you, is that way when you are setting up your documents, you can just come in here and be like, oh, I want to view events. And then you can select the whole thing, copy and paste it into your document. Okay. But I'm going to show you now what to do. So you have, we're on Get Events. Now, I'm going to copy this. To get a link, in case you're not familiar, let's go down here and we're going to press and hold until you see add link. So we're going to press and hold until you see add link. So as you know, GoodNotes has internal and external linking. We want to link externally to a website. It automatically says it will link you to GoodNotes. We don't want that. We're going to delete that and we're going to paste in the shortcut. Now, you need to click return. If you don't click return, it'll automatically repopulate to the GoodNotes link. So we hit return, and now we know that this is going to link to what we want. It's asking you, yes, do you want to proceed with this link? We do. And there it is. It's going to get all the events. All right, you can swipe out. Now we want to make it look pretty. Again, if you want to make it look pretty, you can. If you just want to have the little link, you can add anything you want. It doesn't have to be, an icon. I just wanted it to blend in with my planners. So now I have taken that icon and I pasted it over the link. I'm going to lasso everything, click copy, and I'm going to put it into my planner. Like so. Okay. Again, this is not how it looks, but I'm doing this just so you can see. And now when you tap on that and click yes, there come all your events. Just like that. All right. So, delete. Okay. Again, all of this information is on my website. I also have all of the icons that I've made on my website as well, if you'd like. I think that covers it. If you're Note Shelf and Notability, it is a different process. Be sure you are watching that specific video on how to get that into your planner. I can't think of anything else I need to share with you. So I hope this helped. And now I'm going to be making the next video. There's like 20 some videos in this series. So be sure to just breeze through and see which ones appeal to you. And I hope this makes your, I hope it helps you. Oh, I know what I wanted to say. I keep forgetting. The benefit to doing this, is you can put it anywhere you want, in case you don't know that. I mean, to help to help you. So that is why we're doing it. So anyway, that's all. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.